Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to draw a straight line in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea. Next, we can go to New Projects, and then we can choose a template. I use a YouTube thumbnail and click Create to create a new project. I press Ctrl 0 to view it. In Photopea, if we want to draw a straight line, we have two ways. The first way, we can go to Shape Tool, click and hold. We can find line here. And then we can click and drag to draw a line. If we press Shift, we can snap it in horizontally, or we can snap it in 45 degrees, or snap it vertically. I snap it in horizontally and release the mouse button, so we can draw a straight line here. So if we want to change the color, we can double click the shape layer icon, and then we can change color here. I pick green and press OK. So this is the first way to draw a straight line. The second way, we can use pen tool, click and hold. We can find pen tool here. And then we can go to top option bar and change to shape. Next, we can click to add the points. Same thing, we can use Shift to add another point horizontally, or in 45 degrees, or vertically. I make the same horizontally using Shift click. Actually, this is a path. If we want to add the color to this path, we can go to top option bar to add stroke color. For example, I change it to red and press OK and add the stroke thickness. And also we can change the stroke style. So this is the two ways to draw a straight line in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video.